if you want to see how this works. And keep watching. Alright guys, so yeah girl, Melisandra tried it. I tried it. Angie, move, because it's focusing on your face. Okay, so of course I didn't need to use the whole bottle. It comes with these two little things. One's developer and one is the colorant, and it comes gel. So I got the color medium. Is it medium? Brown. It takes 5 minutes. 29, 30, 31. And I think that your girl's gonna have some eyebrows. Yeah. And it doesn't seem to be coloring my head, actually, which is a good thing. But you know, I ain't got hair all the way up over here. That, I don't know if it's gonna help me or not. Angie made slime. So I'm using a spoolie. Comes with this brush, but of course I'm not going to use this brush. But I could use it for another application of something else. So I'm waiting 5 minutes and I will be back with the reveal. I'm hoping I can find a before picture. Well, look. Nah, because it already started. Darn it. Ooh, girl.
What?
I'm excited.
What?
My eyebrows.
Oh. It's still recording, just so you know. You could turn it off.
Why would I do that?
Some people do it like, hey guys, I'm back in 5 minutes. It's weird. That's 3.
I was a little skeptical, you know, but it seems like it's working. It's already 3:30, Angie.
Oh, it's going to come in before that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so it's done. And if you know me, and you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I struggle with the eyebrows because they don't grow. But as you can see, take a look, let's zoom in, focus. They even got the little hairs up top and some hairs over here. You see it? Usually it ends right here. Look, it even got up here. And these little hairs, usually it stops right there. It caught all the fine little baby hairs right here. So when I do color it in, I will not have to color it in so much, and maybe I'll just have to use a little wing to extend it. But at least it looks like I have a little bit more brow, and I think I'm gonna just let them grow in. Don't mind my blemishes because, girl, summertime, I've been working out, and you know. So this is it. So I'm gonna say Dollar Tree, dollar store, dollar anything that have this right here. I'm gonna say it's a go, ladies. So if you struggle, like I struggle, with my eyebrows, and you need a little fill-in, I would suggest that you go out and buy yourself one of these for $1. Another score from the Dollar Tree.